Hey guys, this is a monthly reset as we prepare to go back to work tomorrow actually. That is me, manicure and pedicure. I don't know whether ni mimi tu ama ni kila mtu. Ukirudi job lazima ufanye that very week. Si ingine, actually unaweza kuwa unarudi job like kesho na leo ushinda ukifanya mambo. But actually, I had an appointment, of course, George's nail, Anto doing his things. At least turudi job tukuwa fresh. This is how pedicure makes one relax. That's me, jana. Actually, nimelala poa. Hapo nilikuwa na feel dhidi. I was feeling like, but all the same I felt good. And I looked good. Look at that. Zilitokea poa. What I ordered. Check it too. They really understood the assignment and I felt good. I felt fresh. That's all. Bye.